On a day when big cap stocks in the Dow closed at a record high, smaller cap stocks in the Russell 2000 index have gotten hammered lately. And as Dominic Chu explains, this is a trend that's worrying many Wall Streeters.
Some investors are pointing to a small sign that could have a big impact on the stock market in the coming months. They're looking at small cap stocks. Small cap stocks are loosely defined as ones that have a market value of around a little over $1 billion on average. The Russell 2000 index tracks these types of companies. It's had a rough go over the last couple of months. Since hitting record highs, it's now fallen close to 10% in value, what many traders call a market correction. Small cap stocks are important because they're viewed as a possible leading indicator for where the rest of the stock market is headed. The big concern is that the drop in small cap stocks could lead to a drop in other parts of the market. Take a look at the chart of the Russell 2000 versus the large cap S&P 500. Historically, they trade pretty much in tandem. But now they're not, and some experts blame it on economic worries.
The divergence between the Russell 2000 and the S&P is because the market's now saying the Fed's done easing and that the economy's got to carry the ball. And in that environment, there's less margin for error. So small caps are going to have a little bit more of a struggle until the economy shows strong signs of growth.
Among some of the hardest hit stocks in the smaller cap world are well-known names, like luxury auction house Sotheby's, which has lost a quarter of its value just in 2014 alone. Then there's snowmobile maker Arctic Cat, which has lost about a third of its value in that time. And teen apparel retailer Aeropostale, which has been cut in half. The latest market declines may have created an opportunity, and there isn't as much fear that the sell-off will have ripple effects elsewhere in the market.
I'm encouraged by the fact that this hasn't spread to the broader market, doesn't look like it will, principally because, we don't have the fundamental catalyst to do that.
The tug of war between the bulls and the bears continues, and for now, the bulls seem to be winning the overall battle. But small caps remain a key part of the market to keep a very watchful eye on. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.